really hot today. Water is super nice. Right now, waiting for Ocean from Yak Planet TV to come out. Still at the boat launch. And Bunk David just got a hit. I think it's a halibut. Hopefully one of us hook up soon. We're out here at Oyster Point. Near the airport. I think we're in Oakland. I don't know. But right now I got trolling a herring. And I've been in 20 minutes in so far.
Got you, Ricky?
Oh, somebody just got one. I've been trolling for about an hour now. So far, 3 people hooked up. I'm still trolling the herring, but no luck yet. Gotta change bait. I switched to a jerkbait. Trolled for about 30 minutes. And as soon as I heard that, airplane next to the airport, yeah, I switched back to the herring from the jerkbait. Will got that 23 inch off of anchovy. I don't have any anchovy. All I have is herring. These are packages here. So yeah, next time you see me, hopefully have a fish on. Got one on, boys.
Oh, Larry's on. Larry's on.
Oh, it's a fucking, it's a shark. Shark.
Yeah. Striper?
No, that's a shark. Look at that. Not what we were after. A shark. It's not what we're after though. Close. No skunk today, boys. Let's get this guy out of here. It's like this guy has no teeth. Oh, whoa. Got him on a treble. Damn. Broke him off. It's alright. We'll just retie. Kind of feel bad that he's gonna be living with that hook in his mouth. Close, but no cigar. Yeah, I'm still drifting. I've been drifting for 30 minutes after I caught that shark. I'm still using a herring as bait since, you know, that's the only action I got off so far. I tried a jerk bait, nothing. Maybe I'll try a jerk bait again. I'm down to my last herring right now, so I see bait fish jumping around everywhere, but Ocean, yeah, Planet TV hasn't had any luck on the sabiki rig. I'm not sure what's jumping. Maybe it could be anchovy or what's that other one? Smelt. I haven't had any luck on that one. So maybe trolling for a minute. If I get a hit, it's another shark. That's not a bait gone. So yeah, guys, today no halibut. My boy David from Fresh and Salty crew, he got a good decent 30 incher way out there, and I got 3 hits all day. Missed 2. The one that actually landed was actually a shark, and that's pretty much it. it's tough out here. I don't know, I'm pretty sure everybody's out here getting it. I mean, I came basically unprepared. Basically, I just came here to try out this new hobie that I got from my boy Andy. Appreciate you, big dog. And yeah, I'm still trying to learn the kinks to the stuff. The drifting part, I mean, I'm barely pedaling. This is a pedal kayak, and then it moves pretty fast, to be honest. And I'll try to learn as I go with this kayak. I mean, I take my boat out, and I get luck on my boat because I just turn off the motors, drift away. But these kayaks, you really gotta finesse with them. So yeah, probably next week, might go striper fishing in the California Delta. So I don't know when's the next time I'm gonna be out here. Maybe 2 more weeks. It's up to these fresh and salty guys. See where they're going. Next week they're going to Ocean Cove. So my boy Ocean's going there. Check out his channel. He's gonna be out there. Yak Planet TV. He'll be out there. His link will be in my description. So check him out. Show him some love. Show me some love, because this is my first video ever. You know, people motivate me. Like, oh yeah, start a YouTube channel, man. I go fishing a lot. All I do is just eat, sleep, fish. Yeah, next week start fishing. I want to get some fish on this kayak. I really do. So next week I'm for sure gonna hit up the Delta for some striper fishing. So stay tuned for that. And all I can say is thanks for watching.
Hey, Larry, just stay left up the pier, so that way you don't want to get tangled with these guys on the pier.
Yeah, I'm getting away from them right now. Got 2 keepers right there. Fresh and salty crew right here.
I'm always getting lucky, bro. I'm always getting